So I mentioned that I discovered Midjourney AI. Maybe you're aware of it already, maybe you're not, but for me, this is brand new. So I came across this post and thought it was just an awesome image created by just some fan art. Once I learned that it was generated by AI, I figured I have to toy around with this myself and see if BSing. So here's a full screen, the AI generated image, and pretty cool, pretty artsy, pretty stylistic. The user, who was it? We got Quantum Chaos, that introduced me to the world of AI bots and has me spending $10 to $30 a month if I go through all my credits now. So thanks, Quantum. But anyways, you go down the thread and you could actually see the queue that he put in place. These are all the keywords that you drop in. It's all done in Discord to generate that image. So we got Rocket League, car soccer, boom, goal, demo, explosion, action shot, lens flare, rim light, ray tracing, glow, haze, hyper realistic, micro details, octane render, Unreal Engine cinematic shot. Added a parameter for 16:9 aspect ratio, which I did a little bit of research. So I'm gonna toy around with the general. I think it's a square. You get 4 square images to start by default, and you could upscale it, and well, you'll see when I'm going through it, but there are parameters that you could put in place for different sizes or whatever fits your needs. So with Midjourney, not sponsored, would like it to be. So Midjourney, it offers a free trial of sorts. So I think it's limited to 25 images. When you sign up with Midjourney, it's all done in Discord. So you'll be dropped into one of these newbies rooms, which is where people could share their own images. And you can see right here, there's really, really neat stuff that was put together by people just screwing around with it or just perfecting what they're creating. And this is art. This is amazing, some of the stuff that they have come up with. I was in, I think it was Newbies 40. That's the room I was brought into. And I was just screwing around and let's see some of the people that were creating stuff since then. You won't see any of my stuff because that was a couple days, and right now, and it's 2:12 p.m. It's nonstop. It's, man, what the? I want to see that Nick Cage one again. Where'd that go? Nick, where are you? Where'd you go? Were you down here? I know I saw you somewhere. Come on. Don't troll me, Nick Cage. Where did he go? The elusive Nick Cage. I'm not going crazy, right? This is all on video. Oh, there he is. Nicolas Cage face graffiti painted on Berlin Wall. So take a look at that. That's some pretty accurate stuff. I've actually tried doing some realistic people in the past, and it did not come out nearly as good as this did. So underneath the picture, you could see that you have a few different buttons here for U1, U2, U3, U4. The U means upscale. The V is for variation. So say I wanted to get a high def picture of image number 2. I would click U2 and it would upscale, and I would have a full-fledged high-def version of Nick Cage's face graffiti painted on the Berlin Wall. I mean, because who doesn't want that besides everybody? Let's see what else we got here, because I don't want to use any of my credits on that. Dude, where was I before where they had all the really cool ones? Member support, newcomer rooms, chat, daily theme. Yeah, see, I mean, I could get lost in this because there's so much to do. Characters? And you could get really crazy with it. There's no limit that I'm aware of how many keywords could be put into place. It's all credit based, and you could use less credits by having it be a lower quality image, or you could change the defaulty so it does like 2 runs and use double the credits. So you know what? Let's stop browsing. Let's see what we could create. All right, so I blew through my credits that I had in the free trial. I was playing around with it, and show and tell, that's probably what it was. AI should not be able to create this kind of stuff. This is remarkable. I might have to just like decorate this whole room. This is a pretty big room. I just might decorate it with AI art. What is going on here? All right, there's some nightmare fuel for you. To do 16:9 aspect ratio, you do these little 2 dashes, AR aspect ratio, and I think it's space 16:9. I think that's how you do it. You can do it in any ratio that you want, but here we go. Boom. There we go. Let's see, what do we got here? Welcome. Did I spell motor? No, I didn't spell it wrong. I kind of like that first one though. The motorcycle channel. Variation 1 will be a different variation of that first image at the top. And here we go. And we should get 4 different versions of that same picture, just slightly different. And again, this is all just generated from an AI. This is insane to me. I don't know how they built it out, but thank you creators, thank you Midjourney. This is such a time killer for me the past few days. I'm having so much fun with it. All right. So when you use one that's already been created, a variation, it's fairly quick because there's not any major changes that are made. So we got 4 different versions. Oh, that's pretty cool. It looks like it's trying to write neon and the neon sign in the background. Oh man, this is so cool. How many keywords is that one? 8 keywords. So some people I've seen do 20, 30, 40, 50 keywords. I am not the most creative when it comes to this kind of stuff, but let's keep rolling. What kind of content can we create with an AI bot? I'm gonna go with imagine Harry Potter versus Antonio Brown food fight. Why? I don't know. You gotta think on the spot. That's what I came up with. Harry Potter versus Antonio Brown food fight. Who do you think would win? I'm just going with that. I'm not even gonna add to it. Let's see, Midjourney. Let's see what you got. Again, this stuff usually doesn't come out good with faces, but man, I'm really curious how this goes. And I think you could have multiple running at once. So if you don't want to wait for one to finish, we could have another one going. Imagine. I can see it loading. Oh man. All right, so since we're in the weeds here, I am curious if we can use Midjourney AI to create my channel artwork. Can I create a logo? Can I create that banner? I mean, I might just use that banner from before because that banner is just badass. So let's see what we can do in the way of a logo here. I think we're good. So I'm gonna paste this and see what we get. Oh wait, no. I wanted to have it run twice. I forget how though. So I'm gonna algorithm modifiers. They have multiple different versions of the algorithm that you could run. High definition. Prompt modifier, so if there's something that comes up that you don't want to come up, you could do a no plans or whatever the case may be. Stop it early before it fully creates and you get a little blurred out cool stylistic shot. Quality, here we go. So quality 1 is the default value. You need to specify it, but if you add quality 2, you might get a little bit more detail. So it costs more credits. There's a way to check that via Discord as well, which I'll check right after I get this one created, because I've been screwing around with it so much that I have to be getting closer to the end. So quality 2, and boom, I screwed up. That's not what I wanted. Could not fetch image prompt. Oh no. That means we can't use that image unless I can find another source. /imagine, and let's go back. And let's see. Caution. I agree. All right, let's try this again. Imagine Master Chief helmet, motorcycle helmet, visor reflection, neon sign. No. Yes. Master Chief helmet, motorcycle helmet, visor. Maybe if it's more specific, it'll help. YouTube sign. Visor reflection of red neon YouTube sign. Create. Give me something good. Give me something good. Looks like we got some variation, at least with color this time. Oh, okay. Okay. Curious how there's going to be Master Chief influence on this, considering he's green and it kind of looks like Darth Vader. Speaking of Darth Vader, I don't know if you can see him. He's back there somewhere. Darth, it's going to be gone by the time we get back. My buddy, he's here for the show. Damn, that's cool. All right, I'm going to play with these ones a little bit. How did those people create that awesome stuff? I need to look at what other people are doing. I need some influence. Newbies 100. What do you got for me? You got a Habbo Hotel character. There's a throwback. I haven't played Habbo Hotel since what, elementary school. Ooh. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. So what I'm gonna do next is this. Like I'm pointing at my screen because you can totally see where my hand is right now. There we go. Right there. Right there. Right there. So that one in the top corner, I'm gonna get a couple variations of that one and see what we could do. That's something I think we could work with. Variation 1. Let's see what we got. We're going somewhere. We're making progress. This is what we were waiting for. Why not see what number 2 could give us as well? Looks like a helmet just like growing on a motorcycle or a car. A little bit. Just a little bit more. Boom. There's that first one. I'm going to add another one. Imagine the boom boom. Modern. I think I picked the right shirt for today. Variation of 3. We're getting there. It's gonna be one of these. I know it. Let's see. What could I add to this? A little bit more what I'm looking for. So imagine modern Korean motorcycle helmet that is reminiscent of Master Chief's. Dark skies, lightning bolt shooting down, looming clouds, neon lights, grayscale background. So it's a little bit different than the last logo. I didn't expect it to be. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. It's got the little logo, the little Xbox logo there, but it's discreet enough not to show. That's fire. That might be it. I think we got it. All right, let's do variations of 2. I think we might have got this. This is. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, I got my logo. I think I got my logo. God, I'm gonna be so disappointed if this whole thing didn't record. I think it is. Yo, I'm so pumped. Make it look like the Xbox logo. pretty freaking amazing for AI. And if you disagree with me, see, here's me. I'm the type of person that needs to like just toy around and just tweak and tweak and tweak and tweak until sure about it instead of just going. So green is gonna be my my theme, my color. Get an idea. Like even if you're using this app as a Midjourney bot, even if you're using it for, oh no, they're not responding anymore. So yeah, even if you don't get exactly what you're looking for, I mean, you throw in a whole bunch of keywords in here, see what this creates for you. Again, even if it doesn't create what you're looking for, you might be able to just get some ideas, get the creative juices flowing, and get something to share with a graphic designer or somebody on Upwork or Fiverr, and it gets something tailored to what you want. If you don't know where to start, just start with Midjourney. Start dropping keywords in there and see what you get. I'm gonna play around with a couple more, see if I get something a little bit more customized. I don't know if modern needs to be in there, so we're gonna Xbox screen, motorcycle helmet, copy paste in case it crashes again. That was the first time I had that not responding, so it's not a common occurrence. I totally expected to have to stop and get the more premium subscription. Just one more for fun. Motorcycle nerd, stylistic text, aspect ratio 16:9. Oh my god, that's cool. I wish it did a little bit better with the text, because you could see, I mean, it could still clean it up, but it's almost done. It's at 87%, so it's close. It almost says the word nerd. We got the word motorcycle, nerd. Oh, this is cool. You toy around with it, try a whole bunch of different keyword variations. Obviously, I am not the best, but even with just screwing around for the last 45 minutes or however long this has been, I've gotten some pretty cool concepts to work with. And some very usable stuff, like that very first thing that we created. Oh, Jesus. Sorry. I'm going to have to pick one of these. In the direction of what I want for a banner, I think. Some things I could add to it, but I mean, like, that is like, this is art. Some of the stuff that's just coming through is art. Just get the word nerd right. That's all I want. I'll use it. Just get the word nerd right. What is going on here? That one's really neat looking, though. I'm not going to lie. N-E-R. It looks like nerd is kind of spelled via the parts on that one. That could be the logo too. If it's spelled nerd right, it looks like it looks like a post-apocalyptic. This thing would fall apart if it hit a speed bump and parts would be flying everywhere, but it's kind of cool. And there it is. There's the logo. So again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. I enjoyed making it. I love playing with this AI stuff, so appreciate you taking the time to tune in, and catch you on the flip side. Peace. Ah!